How to fix no JavaScript on Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub on your device. Here, if there is no JavaScript, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in your website. After you've clicked on three dots at the top right here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. After you click on Privacy and Security, scroll down, click on Site Settings. After you click on Site Settings, scroll down and click on JavaScript. After you click on JavaScript, make sure site can use JavaScript. And after you do that, go to Grubhub, reload your page, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix no JavaScript on Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.